Hey everybody, coming to you from the Minnesota State Fair for another Demand Chain Summer Series. Today I am going to talk to you about embedded dashboards with CRM Analytics. Let's talk about that, and I will see you on the way out. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about embedding Salesforce's CRM Analytics dashboards. I'm on my home page to start, and you see a normal Salesforce dashboard. As you know, these operational dashboards, very, very powerful. I can have 22 elements on there, components, but the dashboards themselves aren't very interactive. When I click on them, they'll take me to an underlying report. If I want to come back, I have to come and do it again. So there's a lot of time when you're working with them, but again, very, very powerful. So if you've moved to CRM Analytics and now you're taking on the power of a full analytics platform, you might embed a dashboard like this in your homepage. So notice I have both of them now. I had the regular Salesforce one, and I put a tabbed view to show a CRM Analytics. And this is great. So now I'm looking at lots of data, and just to get you up to speed on how analytics works, everything is clickable, everything becomes a filter. As I go through here, I'll refresh these. Maybe I want to filter on my sales categories, and all the data moves. So real time, very, very cool, and very, very interactive to give you nice insights. Now, if I'm a sales rep, though, and I'm on my homepage, I'm usually looking at a much larger view of everything. If I'm going to go to a specific account, I'd like to isolate that down. So in my example here, let's say I'm going to Omega Financial. Okay, and on this main dashboard, I could click on Omega Financial. Now I see data specific to them. But when I'm doing my work, I might want to be seeing that data as I'm interacting with them. So I'm going to go to Omega here. I have it, one of the Omegas on my recent items. And I'm going to take you over to the account hierarchy just to show you how I've set this up. Now, Omega is a pretty large organization. So as I build this out, you'll see that the hierarchy of Omega gets very, very deep, all the way down to these other companies that they've acquired, and this Vand Enterprise is way down here at the bottom. So if I'm a sales rep and I'm covering this account, maybe I'm starting down at the bottom and I'm going to have a visit here in Shelby, Tennessee. I want to be able to see what this account has purchased. So I've embedded that same CRM Analytics dashboard inside this account. And as you can see, the data is isolated to just Vand Industries. How did I do that? I took the local ERP number, 33937, and I passed it to the analytics. This is the power of embedding a dashboard inside of a record. I can pass values from the record to the analytics. So now I've isolated. And it becomes very interactive. It's still the same rules. Everything still works, and I can see things, but I've passed it down, so I've isolated the scope. Now, to take this one step further, though, if I'm calling on Vand Enterprises, but I want to get educated on the whole account hierarchy, I've added a second dashboard called Global ERP, made it a little different for you so you could see it's different. But now, instead of passing that local number, I passed the global ERP number. Here you can see I passed it as part of this filter. Now when I look at all the accounts, guess what accounts are there? All of them. And there's Vand, and there's Open, there's Omega Technologies. So now I'm looking at Vand, but I can see everything going on in the hierarchy of the account. And then if I just want to look at Omega Inc., boom, there's Omega Inc. Uncheck that. There's Vand Industries. And so on and so forth. If I just want to see what's going on in Austin, Texas, I can click on Austin. Oh, Open Source is there. And I can see what Open Source has been doing and go down to their records, etc. So the power of embedding a dashboard is really in the ability to pass data to the dashboard to isolate it. When you include this tabbed interface to allow me to embed and make the interface really clean, you could imagine a cases dashboard or an assets dashboard or an activities dashboard where lots and lots of data from a large organization gets isolated based on the record you're looking at. This puts more power, more information, more insights in the hands of your sellers, in the hands of your customer service agents when they're talking to a specific record, and they can delight that customer with more information. So I hope you appreciate what I showed you here. If you have CRM Analytics, definitely should be exploiting this and taking advantage of it. It drives lots of value. If you're interested in learning more about it, please reach out and we'll be happy to set up a call with you and show you. Thank you very much.
Hey, that was a fun day at the fair. Hope you enjoyed that video. I look forward to bringing you another one real soon.